So after I posted the video of this secondary strap yesterday, I got a couple of questions about why I chose that location, because it's kind of backwards. It's pulling towards the rear, which isn't really what you want to do if you want to hold the boat on. But there's a couple of pieces related to how a boat is tied down when it's traveling, or how it should be tied down when it's traveling, that I didn't really show. And they're important to make this even remotely close to working, and I'm going to show you those right now. So on each side of the boat, in the rear, are cam over hold down straps, and these are in place anytime the boat is traveling down the road. So this, I believe, in conjunction with the new deadman, will hold the boat on the trailer in case that ratchet ever breaks. If these aren't engaged when you're traveling down the road, yeah, all bets are off, because if that nose comes up, you know, if that strap comes off, the nose is coming up, the boat's going away. This is just another thing to hold it to the trailer, so if you're going over bumps, you're not just bashing it around and wrecking your boat. But this is the secondary attachment system that I believe allows this to be reasonably good for what it's doing. And I apologize for the wind noise. So now I'm going to give you a little quick demonstration of what we got. Here, the ratchet is locked. Okay, she's not moving. Let's say it breaks. That's what the boat's going to want to do. But that's even when it's tied down in the back. If that's not tied, so if you're doing 65 miles an hour down the highway and this thing comes undone, you know, that thing could flip over. Now, let's put my new strap in place. Cinch it down and see what we got. We still have this as broken. It may move a little bit, but it's not gonna, I don't believe it's gonna flip over because of those rear straps. It may be able to move back a couple of inches, but I don't believe it's gonna be able to come off of the trailer because of those rear straps. Now, I did notice that during that last little test, the ratchet strap that I put on popped a little bit and opened up. I think it's just because I hadn't clicked it good enough. Right now, I've got it clicked pretty solid, and she's staying, and she's holding it in there good. So I'm pretty happy with it. So that's the point of why I wanted to add the secondary strap, because I just don't trust this 100%. Now, this has always been good to this point. I've never had an issue with it. It's never taken it apart. It's probably good enough, but I like a little bit of extra safety. So that's why I got it in there. Thanks for asking.